Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, how are you?
Fine. The topic I read just now.
The topic I read just now.
Okay. Topic I
Although
read just.
we have READ, READ, and READ, we have three forms of verb, right? The first, the second, and the third form. And the spellings of read are same READ, READ, and READ. But when we do in past, we say the topic I have read. Okay. So it's
Just
read,
now.
read, read, read.
Okay. For future, what to say?
For future you will say that I will be reading.
Okay. So just now I read it. It's a huge content.
It's
So
huge
from
content.
yeah.
It's not a huge content. We say that uh, it was so much to absorb for me. It was so
Correct.
much to grasp. We'll have a
So
general talk on this topic, that is online education uh, a boon to our country, or are students really studying in this online mode, or and what will be the way forward for this?
okay. Somewhat technical.
No, it's not technical.
So shall we start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So now, as of now, in all the state, if I'm not wrong, so there is a lockdown and schools, colleges were closed down. So to students could not suffer, right? They might be in primary, high school, or
so
at college
students
level. They should not suffer.
so students should not suffer, right?
Okay. What I said,
Students could not suffer,
okay,
whereas could is used for capabilities. We use can for capabilities, and in the past form, when we use can, we take it as could.
I could.
I could.
Okay. So students should not suffer. So the government permitted the private management as well the government management to conduct the classes online, right?
Right.
So the first difficulty would be, I think most of the parents could not afford it. The quality of device, affordability of internet.
True.
So these things somewhere trouble the parents so that they could provide all facilities to their
The
kids.
These things were troublesome for the parents because technology played an important role at this period of time.
Correct. So even they could not afford, still they need to provide all these things. This is
True.
the first. This is the first thing could the parents face. The next, there are types of online classes which I saw in my city. The private managements they record the classes in a YouTube,
Okay.
and they used to inform the students the time and schedule and all, so that the student could watch the class. So in a recorded class, there is no interaction. I think it's a somewhere student could not follow the subject which taught to them. So rather recording, if it is online one to one, like Zoom app provides for at a time 40 to 50 student, I mean 40 to 50 participants. So rather they could adopt for a such a online classes.
They could
But
adopt for such a platform, you mean?
correct, they could adopt for such a platform. Apart from these, so
Apart from these, we can choose to have class on Microsoft Teams. Apart from these, we can choose to have class on Google Meet where we can have 100 participants.
correct. So there are several platforms which the management could adopt. But uh, in my city, what happened? There are certain schools they are using it recorded. I think might be uh, there is a they could not manage time set schedule and all. There are number of class, right, first to 10th standard. Might be they don't have how to schedule the classes online, so they might thought of recording
Maybe they don't have knowledge about how to use the
knowledge
technology.
technology. So it's a new for staff, new for management, it's new for students. So still, I think not accustomed with such a practice. So these are some difficulties in conducting online classes. The other thing, as I read in WhatsApp, which you sent, the health issues.
True.
I first time come across with such a health issue could be a in conducting online classes. I don't know what type of health issues could raise enough
Health issues can be it's strain for the child to
eyes.
focus on the screen of a laptop or the screen of a mobile phone, and also when we are using the earphones, it can be harmful for the ears.
Okay,
and and what else can be in health issues?
concentration? No,
Concentration, it can divert in physical classes also.
correct. Might be a neck problem.
Neck problem, cervical.
Correct. So if they could attend a number of classes, then might be they get neck problem,
True. Stiffness in the neck.
stiffness in the neck. But no option, right? The student could attend the class. As of now, the situation is worst, and the parents have no option, student have no option, the management has no option. So somehow need to find out a way out to accustom with such a practice without harming our health.
True.
So
So, what can be the advantages of online education system? We have discussed the disadvantages.
advantage, no idea.
No idea. There are various advantages, and also when we start a topic or when we have to say something on spot or we are in a debate, we are not allowed to say disadvantages of that topic. Like I have been in a debate and I was given a topic on online shopping. So I just started saying the disadvantages. So I was just out of that discussion. Why? Because I pointed out at disadvantages first. So we have to point out at advantages first and then saying that as everything has an advantage, so there are disadvantages also, and we'll be discussing the disadvantages, and that too in a polite manner. So we'll discuss disadvantages after discussing the advantages. So advantages has to be in the first option, and then we have to talk about disadvantage.
Disadvantage, right?
There are various advantages. See, if we haven't started the classes in online mode, so then the future of the students might have suffered.
Correct.
And then if management and then uh, the school, uh, like we can say the members of the school, the teachers included in the management, and then we have parents. If combined effort of everybody was not there, so online classes was not possible. And it's better to have something than not to have anything. So it's better to have online class than not to have anything and sit back at your homes and just play around and move around and just enjoy. So it's an advantage.
Hmm.
And what else can be the advantage? No advantages apart from this. Okay, then we can discuss about how classes are held in different parts of our country.
Everywhere online class, right?
Yeah, everywhere there is online class. Every student is taking online class.
Then
I mean to say, what's different that the school management is following to take these classes?
as I said, some management they send the class a recorded class in a YouTube, some one-to-one class.
Okay. But talking about my state, we are having classes on Zoom, or we are having classes on Google Meet, and we are having classes on Microsoft Teams app where we can have an access of 100 children. And then we also have access to record those classes and put it on our YouTube channel so that other students can also watch those classes and have advantage over it.
Do you think the management could purchase such a software? I don't feel. In our city, all the managements they use a free access
No, actually,
apps.
okay, but in my college, my principal sir has purchased this Microsoft Teams application access, and we are using that.
I didn't find in my city.
Okay,
My kid, as regards my kids' class are concerned, they sent it in. As I said, recorded classes.
okay.
They they won't purchase it when I interact with the teacher in a
When
phone
I
call.
interacted,
Exactly when I interacted with the
teacher
teacher,
through
she through
phone.
phone. There is no option right now. We can't close. School colleges are closed, and there is no chance of meeting. So I called through phone. She said it's left to the management. They won't purchase any apps and all. This
Okay,
is how they instructed by the management.
okay. But here, actually, in some of our schools also, principals have purchased access to those applications. They have actually they have taken that pain to start the classes.
Correct. Even a rich management schools also not provided. And if I'm not wrong, in my city, might be
Okay,
in Bangalore and all in the big cities, they could have purchased it. They could purchased. I don't know, but in my city, I never find. Even I spoke to my
I
friends.
never found.
Exactly what I said. Never found.
Found, you said Find.
Found. I never found. Even I spoke to my friends.
Okay. But here we
So,
have.
but though we are talking about advantages of online classes, but I think no effective classes could be conducted.
Right. Without
So
one-to-one interaction and without that interaction we
no,
have in classrooms.
no emotions, nothing.
Have you heard about the term cognitive development of a student?
Cognitive.
Cognitive development of a
No,
student? No.
no.
Cognitive development is about intellectual skills of a student, which is developed in a class where he or she interacts with other children, with teachers, with the environment. So that's zero now
Correct.
because they are
In
not having one to one interaction.
correct. If we are talking about advantage of online classes, the more advantage to the management rather than the parents.
True.
Mean they reduce the teacher's salary. No vehicles they provide for the student for transportation. Less staff. So many things which favor the management rather parents.
True.
So I think it's not a bad idea of conducting online classes, but I think need a research so that the teacher could reach the student even in online classes also effectively. Might be need some advanced technology. I don't know in future.
Maybe this is the starting.
Maybe.
This is the starting because after a lot of failed
uh,
attempts, we get something productive.
Correct. Correct. So we need to wait for such a thing. As of now, there are less advantages,
And more disadvantages.
more disadvantages. We need to wait for more advantages.
True.
If there are so many schools established in our city, nearly about 400 to 500 schools are there. I don't think each and every school could afford purchasing of apps and all to conduct classes. According to me, when this RTI education is introduced by the central government, right to education, after introduction, they have set up some mechanism. The government, what they did every year, they sent 10% of a, out of strength, 10% from the government quota. Mean they need not to pay any fees and all. It come under the compulsory free education scheme. So in such a situation, some of the management they uh, allow the government student. Some of the management what they did, they made a separate class for those students.
Okay.
Uh, then some of the management they are not affordable. So in a present situation, the management which could not affordable, they won't conduct even online classes also.
Yeah.
They are only take the admission of a student, government student, they claim the money what they could claim under the scheme, and they close it. Uh, in a present situation, I don't feel there is no check and balance by the state government whether they are conducting online or not. So this is how I mean to say Not every management is conducting online classes. No check and balance. Mm. So overall, lots of students suffered. They could not pursue their studies effectively. Especially the matriculation, what we
True.
call 10th class, they suffered a lot last
Especially the
year.
board classes.
Yeah, this year also.
In fact, 10th class is free now because they don't have any board exams.
No, in my state, there is a board
Okay.
exam for 10th.
Okay. The government has actually said that class 10th will not have any exams. They are exempted from the exams and they'll be promoted to class 11th on the basis of internal assessments. And class 12th will have exam in the month of June or July if condition is fine.
Uh, I, I think in my state, they preponed the exams and they might conduct it. I
Okay.
don't know. I don't know. But there is no. But one thing I noticed after this COVID, post COVID, there are so many course, there are so many, uh,
There are so many courses which have emerged in the market.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So online courses, online
True, true, true,
classes.
true.
You heard about some like Byju's. You heard about Byju's? Ah,
Yes.
the identical institutions were very active now on online. They are promoting. So even to the extent they ask us the syllabus also. Mean they ask the syllabus. So in terms of syllabus, they even provide the classes what they said in, in their
Like one new course which we have seen is coding for students at White Hat
coding,
Junior and at
cor-
various places they have started coding.
coding. So there are many platforms now. If we talk about advantage of online, then there are many platforms which emerge on online. They
True.
have their competent teachers, and I think they are better than the traditional
True.
schools.
True. And we have seen a total transformation in this education system when these new courses have emerged, and we can also
Correct,
see where we can have teachers for one-to-one interaction also. Because at
correct.
Byju's and Academy, we get teachers for one-to-one interaction where we can interact with our teachers if we
No,
have doubts.
correct. But in Byju's, they have a recorded syllabus, right? They
Okay.
won't. There is no one-to-one interaction.
In an academy, there is.
An academy, okay. An academy is a
Although,
very popular, very
un-
popular.
yeah, true. But
So
then going deep down into these, they also have flaws.
Le- mean when we talk about advantage, right? If you are an expert living in Bangalore, see in any subject, you are an expert, you are a known expert living in Bangalore. If I need your services, if I ask you to conduct a classes in Gulbarga in my city, then earlier there are several things which you need to arrange your schedule, and you have to travel through train, flight. You need to waste so much of time. Now it's very simple. If I could request you for an online class, then
True.
see how
Easy it is
easy it is now.
to enjoy the comfort of our home and to have a class.
Correct. Why I'm saying this earlier in a Bangalore, there are so many lawyers we could not. have an advantage to hear them.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays, they started webinars.
Yeah.
So many eminent lawyers speak on a subject, and in sitting at home, we could see their
Webinars.
expertise, the webinars. They are well prepared. They could consolidate the subject and tell us. Even if I could prepare for one subject, I need 8 to 10 days. If I attend one webinar in a one webinar, in a half an hour, in 1 hour, I could gather so many information, so many things. These are all some advantages.
See, when we have dived deep into the topic, we got to know about a lot of advantages also.
Correct. So courts are virtual.
Mhm.
So earlier, I can't see the courts conducting in Gujarat. Recently, I found in a YouTube their recorded proceedings.
Okay.
I saw their entire proceedings in 1 hour, 1.5 hour proceedings, how the court conducts in Gujarat
Okay.
when compared to Karnataka, Delhi. So advantages are there. See how one disadvantage which I found in my kids is they are always attached to the device from morning to evening. It's so difficult to detach them,
True.
right?
And also, we don't know that while attending classes, when they just will pop into another window and will start playing games.
My daughter does. So they are very tender age. They don't know what the bad, what the good mean, what the good, what the bad,
What is bad? What is good and what is bad?
what is bad. So, and it's very difficult for parents to. A toughest job is parenting job.
True. But kids are happy to be at home and take lessons from home because then they can just run away and on those classes and go and sit back and eat and do anything when the classes are running.
See, what I found is there is no discipline, right? If you go to the school, there is some sort of discipline is there.
True.
Mean in online, as you said, while eating, the kids could watch the classes and all
Class.
sometimes. So we need to taught them saying this is not good, this is bad. They are very tender. They won't understand. But see, there is a lots of psychological pressure on the students for
Hmm.
after closure of schools and colleges.
True.
They sit idle in a home, and there is no any atmosphere. Mean a playing atmosphere. Only devices are their friends. And my kid, because of this, he got spectacle.
Okay.
Even we can't punish, right? Present generation, they took otherwise, and it's very difficult for parents. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
But
Okay.
in south apart, in pleasure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye bye.